Steroids for dogs. Welcome back to Dog Edge, where we give you tips on how to best take care of your dog. Did you know that steroids are important for dogs? They are often used to reduce inflammation owing to their inflammatory properties. It may be used in the treatment of allergic conditions in dogs and cats such as flea allergy, dermatitis, bee stings, among other allergies that may be affecting your dogs. I'm going to talk about the steroids that you can use on dogs. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell notification button so that you will be informed every time we make an upload. What are steroids for dogs? Number 1. Glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids are the most commonly used steroids in veterinary medicine. There are a variety of glucocorticoids drugs that made purposely for dogs, and they include prednisolone, triamcinolone, and betamethasone, among others. Relatively low doses of steroids reduce inflammation in your dogs. However, be careful not to use them in large quantities because they will suppress the immune system, thereby making your dog susceptible to diseases. Glucocorticoids can be introduced through injection, orally, topically, or through inhalation. Some of the side effects that are associated with the use of glucocorticoids include susceptibility to infections when used in high doses, increase in hunger, thirst and hunger, gastrointestinal ulcers, abnormal behavior, development of Cushing diseases, and muscular weaknesses. Please get the opinion of your vet before deciding to use steroids. Number 2. Mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids are important in maintaining the balance of water and minerals in the body of your dog. Therefore, they play an important role in stress response. Some of the commonly used drugs with mineralocorticoids includes desoxycorticosterone and fludrocortisone. The former is long-acting and injectable, whereas the latter can be given orally. The drugs are safe to use but can cause an increase in thirst and urination. Please talk to your vet before using mineralocorticoids on your dog. Number 3. Estrogens. Estrogens may be used in treating dogs with urinary incontinence. You may give estrogen to female dogs to encourage them to come into heat and interact with male dogs to treat benign prostatic hypertrophy or BPH. Estradiol is a naturally occurring estrogen. You may also get synthetic estrogens such as diethylstilbestrol or DES. Introducing estrogen drugs into your dog has several side effects such as bone marrow suppression, and that could lead to bone disorders and blood disorders. A potential fatal uterine infection or pyometra increases the risk of some types of cancer and feminization of male animals. Always seek your vet's authorization before using it. Number 4. Adrenal cortical steroids. These are used in diagnosing dogs with Addison's and Cushing's diseases. They are introduced into the body through injections as part of the stimulation test that determines whether the dog's adrenal glands are functioning normally. The fact that the adrenal cortical steroids are used over a short period means that the side effects are rare. Talk to your vet on whether you should use the adrenal cortical steroids on your dog or not, and get information on the required dose. Number 5. Anabolic steroids. These steroids are not commonly used in veterinary medicine, but they are occasionally used in increasing strength, promoting appetite, stimulate weight gain, and treating anemia associated with a long illness. Never use these steroids on a dog who may become pregnant because it may cause serious birth defects. It has serious side effects such as reproductive dysfunction in both male and female dogs, behavioral changes, liver damage, and electrolyte abnormalities. Number 6. Progestins. Do you want to postpone heat cycles in your female dog? Progestins are here for you. They can be used in the postponement of heat cycles in your female dog and may also be used in the elevation of false pregnancies. You can also use progestins in the treatment of benign prostatic hypertrophy in male dogs. You may also use it in the treatment of some skin conditions and the modification of aggressive behavior. The last thing you want is a dog that causes havoc in your home. Some of the side effects that are associated with progestins include the increase in thirst and appetite, enlargement of the mammary glands, behavioral changes, the enlargement of the head, increasing the likelihood of diabetes mellitus, reproductive disorders, some types of cancer, and Cushing's disease. Always seek the opinion of your animal doctor before using progestins. Number 7. Androgens. Androgens belong to a class of steroid hormones. They are used in the treatment of hormone-responsive urinary incontinence in male dogs, suppression of heat cycles, and alleviation of false pregnancies in female dogs. And as part of the therapy for some types of immune-mediated blood disorders, just like the other steroids, androgens have side effects, and that is why you need to be careful before using them. it could promote some type of cancer and may lead to liver toxicity and also may lead to the masculinization of female dogs. In conclusion, several steroids can be used for different purposes in dogs. They also have serious side effects, and that's why you need to be careful when using them. Don't use steroids without getting professional advice from your animal doctor. You need your dog to be in good health, and as a result, do not do anything that will affect them negatively. Always be careful when selecting steroids for your dogs. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.